Okay, everyone, we are looking at now the Samsung Galaxy S5 screens, brand new, first to have, if not anywhere, at least in New York City. Samsung Galaxy S5s just came out, and we have the screens for them, and we have the original screens at that, straight from Samsung. As you can see here, we could focus in. It has a Samsung logo, as well as on the top. And you'll notice that obviously the Samsung Galaxy S5s are bigger than the S4, so there's the screen comparison there. We have the blue, the white, the black, and as we'll scroll over here to website at New York Computer Help, of course, you go to Samsung Galaxy, and you'll see all the phones that we do, including the Samsung Galaxy S5, S4, and then when we get to the S5, you'll see the pricing, which is currently $275, and that obviously will change over time. And yeah, we do this all at our location, 5030 East 34th Street, New York Computer Help, and we're open 8 to 8 in the week, 9 to 5 on weekends. It takes about 20 minutes on the spot to do. Come anytime, no appointment is necessary, and comes with a 60-day warranty. Come by anytime.